So I'm just doing a commercial building wash here for a customer. They're in the dental industry, and as you can see here, we've got some boards. So it's kind of like a kind of board, a composite, probably a concrete based board. So we've got to be careful. It's not a hard surface by any means, and obviously we've got all this mould growing through it, as you can see through here. So I'm going to be doing a soft wash here and cleaning this up for them. Okay, so I'll show you the results as we go, and I'll show you the in progress as well. The in progress. So we're simply now going to start applicating chemical. You want to make sure that you've got all the safety gear to be able to do this. Okay, as you can see, it's turning brown. The minute it starts turning brown is a clear indication that the mold is starting to die, or starting to be killed. Yeah, so that's what we're up to here. Once it's been sprayed on, we need to let it dwell on the surface for ideally about 10 minutes. You can see it's starting to turn beautifully brown right here, so you can see that transformation happening very quickly. And, we're just going to give it a gentle rinse off. Here we go. See that? It's almost like new. A few sections there where you might just need to just oscillate a little bit to get the spores out, or the root systems. There's a little bit of root system sometimes. Sometimes you even need to applicate again. I'll just show you here the difference so you can see it very, very clearly. Very soft pressure. Not harming the board in any way or form. There we go, folks. Magical. So here's the finished boards. Looking pretty much like brand new. You may see some slight discoloration like here. This is actually the paint wearing away from the board, so it's not actually the mould. And again here, but that's a stain that's coming down from the flashing, which is also happening here. Yeah, so those stains are very hard to remove, especially when you've got a soft surface like this. But we're here really just to remove the mould, the mouldiness, and that's been done magnificently. So that's the power of soft washing. If you hit this with hard pressure, you'd be in big trouble, because you basically erode the surface, and you'd also peel off the paint, and then it would be absolutely guaranteed that they'd have to repaint after you'd finished the job. Plus you would see all of the line marks of the pressure washer on the board. So not a good idea. That's why we ended up with soft washing it. Hope that's useful, folks, and hope you enjoyed the video. If we can help you clean up your commercial premise, please give us a call.